Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt Keypad not working, no lights, no response and reset fix. When your Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt Keypad stops working, the solution usually involves checking the power supply or performing a system reset. Follow these quick step-by-step troubleshooting methods to get your lock's keypad responding again. Fix 1. Check and replace the batteries. Remove the interior battery cover and replace all four AA batteries. Always use high-quality alkaline non-rechargeable batteries like Duracell or Energizer, as generic or rechargeable brands can cause intermittent power drops. And if the battery pack is loose inside the slot, cut a small 1.25 centimeter strip of cardboard and gently wedge it at the top of the battery compartment to keep it firmly seated and ensure proper electrical contact. Fix 2. Inspect the internal wiring. Manually retract the bolt using the interior thumb turn. Unscrew and carefully remove the interior mechanism from the door. Then check the white wiring connector to ensure it is securely plugged into the circuit board. Fix 3. Perform a soft reset reboot. Remove the battery pack, then wait for 10 seconds and firmly plug it back in. If you suspect your app is bugged, log out of the Schlage Home app and then log in back again. Fix 4. Check for moisture or debris. If your lock is exposed to rain or humidity, condensation can build up on the interior components. Remove the inside cover and use a hairdryer on a low cool setting to thoroughly dry the electronics. Ensure the outer keypad surface is clean and free of dirt, ice, or grime that could be blocking the touch sensors. Fix 5. Perform a factory default reset. Remove the battery cover, then find the black circle reset button on the right side of the thumb turn and press and hold the button for about 7 seconds until the LED stops flashing red and lights up solid blue. Once reset, you can use the default user codes found on the paper label on the back of the lock or on your original manual. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.